Yes, my lords. Because, my lords.
So unless P2 goes, this code or from the authority where you have filed the appeal or whatever.
Lords, I was.
Therefore, unless that is set aside, your committee cannot be restored back.
No, my lords. I'm not.
Committee is already in place.
I'm not upon that point, my lords. My submission is, my lords, after passing of this order, I challenged these orders before the Waqf tribunal. Thereafter, my lords, proceedings under this notice was issued to me, which was without jurisdiction, and there is no procedure to challenge this notice before the Waqf tribunal, my lords. That's why this notice was challenged by me. Now, my lords, I'll just take, my lords, to the procedure of section 68 of the Waqf Act.
It may be wrong, 100% wrong, but the question is, new committee is already in place. Unless that is removed, the position क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Charge cannot be handed over to you.
No,
that is the impediment.
I am the one who is holding the charge. Now, by this notice, directions have been issued.
Now you are not holding the charge. Annexure P2 committee constituted under Annexure P2 is holding the charge.
No, my lords. No, my lords. I am holding the charge. Now, by way of Annexure P1, I am directed to hand over the charge to the committee which has been formed by Annexure P2. This is the fact. Now, my submission is this Annexure P1 is without jurisdiction. SDO cannot, at the instance of CEO, direct me to hand over the charge to the newly formed committee.
Don't hand over the charge till this Annexure P2 is set aside by the Waqf board, Waqf tribunal.
But this notice is, my lords, obligating me to do it without jurisdiction. That is what my submission is.
You have challenged Annexure P2. You ought to have challenged P1 also.
My lord, P1, because P1 is passed, P1 is a letter, my lords, which is...
P1 is prior in point of time. Annexure P2 is subsequent.
No, my lords. P2 has been passed first, my lords. That was passed on 23/7/21. And yes, my lords would have the date of P2 at page number 18. And this order annexure P1 has been issued on 4/8/21.
So you don't have the remedy to challenge under section 68?
No, my lord, that is not there. 67, I have approached the tribunal, which was the original order whereby my committee was superseded. Now my only submission before your lordship is this order annexure P1 is without jurisdiction. That's why I am here before your lordship.
Sure.
By the provision itself, I narrate that the order is without jurisdiction. And the learned single judge, my lords, have held that the communication by the CEO itself is enough for doing so. As, my lords, the Honorable Apex Court has also held, if a statute provides something to be done in a particular manner, it has to be done in that manner. And the procedure of section 68, I would take your lordships to the Waqf Act.
Yeah.
68 subclause 2, if your lordships would see, my lords. May I read, my lords?
Please, 68 to read kariye.
My lords. Where any removed mutawalli or committee fails to deliver charge or deliver possession of the records, accounts and properties, including cash, to the successor mutawalli or committee within the time specified, subsection 1, or prevents or obstructs such mutawalli or committee from obtaining possession thereof after the expiry of the period aforesaid, the successor mutawalli or any of the successor committee may make an application accompanied by a certified copy of the order appointing such successor mutawalli or committee to district magistrate, additional district magistrate and subdivision magistrate. I'll just hold it at this point, my lords. Here, no application by the successor committee along with a certified copy was placed before the board, my lords.
इसका नहीं होता ये so pass ठीक order जब ये चार्ज आप हैंड ओवर नहीं करेंगे तो नेचुरली एसडीओ हैज द पावर्स टू hand over the charge, get the charge from you and hand over to the other newly appointed
That
committee.
is upon an application by the successor committee, not by the CEO. Now this notice may kindly be seen, my lord. It has to be done at the instance of the successor committee or the mutawalli.
Successor mutawalli or committee.
Yes, my lord.
Time specified. इसमें एप्लीकेशन कौन कर रहा है? एसडीओ,
CEO of the board to the SDO.
मेरे क्या वो मेरे को पता है सीईओ कर सकता है क्या ये इशू है? सीईओ नहीं नहीं, ये बोल रहे हैं कि the सब डिवीजन ऑफिसर इज हैविंग अथॉरिटी अंडर सेक्शन 68 पर ऑर्डर है 27 जुलाई के ऑर्डर दो और दो है ना P2 है P2 है ना 27 जुलाई वाला।
जी
नहीं 23 जुलाई
23 जुलाई नहीं 27 जुलाई नहीं है सर।
नहीं ये आदेश सीईओ ने किया है फॉर हैंडिंग ओवर द चार्ज।
Yes, he cannot do it, my lord. That is what my submission is. Under
Why he cannot do it?
My lord, under 68(2).
You have already challenged this P2 before the tribunal already.
Yes,
It is pending. The tribunal will decide whether the CEO has the authority to challenge or not, to pass such an order or not.
My lord,
Can we entertain another
because my lord, because
litigation here in the High Court?
my lord, because the order.
Answer, please answer. How can we allow you to avail the remedy in a parallel litigation? There are judgments of the Supreme Court which says that जब एक बार आप अप्रोच हो गए किसी ट्राइब्यूनल को, you have to wait for the decision of that tribunal. Then whatever remedy is available you can avail. Not in a personal type कि वहाँ भी लगा दिए, यहाँ भी लगा दिए, जहाँ से इंट्री ऑर्डर मिल गया वहाँ से चलने दिया, उधर विड्रॉ कर लिया.
No, my lord. Section 60 procedure under section 68, I cannot challenge it before the tribunal.
सब डिवीजन ऑफिसर कोई दिक्कत नहीं. It is clear from the order that the CEO has sent it, not order, has sent it along with the copy. ये सीईओ का ऑर्डर नहीं है ये. अगर आप देखेंगे
नहीं CEO का ऑर्डर
नहीं, it is a request letter.
Yes,
It is a request letter to the SDO to take the charge and hand it over to the
yes, that is what my point is, my lord.
So it's not an order.
No, it is not an order.
It's already under challenge.
Yes, my lord. This is what my submission is, my lord. May kindly appreciate annexure P1.
अभी ऑर्डर एसडीओ करेगा ना? कर दिया?
नहीं अभी नहीं किया सर, because
अभी नहीं किया तो फिर क्या पौधा
my lord, there was an interim order passed by the learned single judge at the initial stage.
Whatever.
Now, my lord, because
that interim order merges with the final order, already merged. Now you are in writ appeal.
my lord, what has happened in this case? Section 18, my lords, there is constitution of the board.
There is Mr. Khatri, there is no order by the SDO as yet. It's premature.
My lord, may kindly
already challenged.
My lord, may kindly appreciate annexure P1, my lord. What it says, my lord. I'll just read 4 lines of it. It has been issued under the endorsement of the SDO.
वहीं से ट्राइब्यूनल से स्टे लीजिए ना, वहाँ पे तो प्रोविजन है स्टे का.
No, section application. My lord, I cannot challenge the procedure of 68 before the tribunal under section 83. Just I have challenged supersession, but charge
ask for a stay of annexure P2. That would end the matter there, then and there. If you ask for a stay of annexure P2 before the tribunal, then P2 cannot be acted upon. It's very simple.
My lord,
you must have filed an application seeking interim relief.
Yes, but that has not been yet decided within 3 years. It has been.
क्या हुआ? रिजेक्ट हो गई कि नहीं हो गई? ये अभी पेंडिंग है.
Decide pending है sir. It has not been decided.
ठीक है तो वही कराइए उसको डिसाइड.
Sir, my lord may understand, my lord, because my.
We understand. We very well understand.
My lord, because this order is without jurisdiction. That is because the procedure there is
Once you have availed the alternative remedy, we will not entertain this. And rightly, learned single judge has dismissed.
learned single judge observed that upon a communication of the CEO.
Reserved, yes. Next.